Welcome to the Strike Visuals custom printed table cover page. Strike has many table cover options to help your business stand out at events. Our most popular table cover is the stretch table cover that comes in 6 and 8 foot sizes. The stretch table cover has a zipper back so that you can store items under your table while having it covered by your custom branded display. The stretch table cover is also wrinkle resistant, which means you can pack it super small, pull it out and set it up, and it won't have any wrinkles, or if it's windy, it won't be moving around in the wind, and it'll keep your branding looking sharp. Another table cover option we have is a fitted table cover, which isn't stretch, but is more of a box square shape and is fitted to a 6 and 8 foot standard table size. The fitted table cover also has a water resistant fabric option. If you're serving drinks on the table cover and you have any spillage going on, you can wipe it and it beads right off. The last table cover we have here at Strike is the throw table cover. It's not shaped or fitted to any table. It's just a big round fabric with your custom branding that you can throw over any table. So go ahead and browse this page, see the table cover options, and further down on the page you can find some more information on how to get the most out of your custom branded table cover. So when you're ready, you can order online or fill out a quote form, and a product specialist will help you find the table cover for your event needs.